Have you ever pondered upon the intricate design of life? What makes a butterfly different from a bumblebee, or a daisy distinct from a daffodil? The answer lies within the molecular structure of genes. In the heart of every living organism, genes act as the blueprint, the master plan, if you will, choreographing life's dance. Unseen to the naked eye, these microscopic architects shape and define the world around us. So, what exactly is a gene? A gene is a segment of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the DNA that holds the instructions for building the proteins that do much of the work in our bodies. Think of it as an intricate recipe book, where each gene provides the recipe for a specific protein. But how does this recipe book function? The DNA molecule, the carrier of genetic instructions, is made up of two strands that twist together to form the iconic double helix structure. It's like a twisted ladder, where the rungs are made up of pairs of 4 types of molecules, or bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and cytosine with guanine, forming the base pairs that encode the genetic information. The sequence of these base pairs is what determines the instructions or the recipe in the DNA. But here's where it gets interesting. Each of us has around 25,000 genes, but they don't all work at once. Imagine if all the recipes in a cookbook were made at the same time. It would be chaos. Instead, each cell uses the information in only a small subset of genes, depending on its role in the body. So, when a gene is read or expressed, the 2 strands of the DNA molecule unwind, and one of them is used as a template to build a molecule of RNA, or ribonucleic acid. This process is called transcription. The RNA molecule then leaves the nucleus of the cell and goes into the main part of the cell, where it is used as a template to build a protein. This process is called translation. The protein then goes on to do its job in the body, whether that's building a new cell, fighting off a virus, or any number of other tasks. In essence, the molecular structure of genes is a marvel of nature's design. From the double helix structure of DNA to the intricate process of transcription and translation, genes hold the key to the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. To recap, we've delved into the world of genes, exploring their structure and function. We've learned that genes are segments of DNA, that DNA is made up of base pairs that form a double helix, and that the sequence of these base pairs holds the instructions for building proteins. We've also discovered how genes are expressed through the processes of transcription and translation, so next time you marvel at a butterfly's wings or a daisy's petals, remember the microscopic architects, the genes, that made it all possible. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey into the molecular structure of genes. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and most of all, keep marveling at the wonder of life.